Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 31st, 2024. It's the last day of this year, 2024. Yes, not so good yet, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So what puzzle is left? The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. By the way, in this newspaper we have also extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not now. It's the additional with extra puzzles. And yeah, let me continue with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, number 9822. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Yeah, but it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16, so I think it's a 0 stars or maybe 1 star. 0 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes here. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? I see here 1 triple box, another triple box here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. In this triple box should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here another triple box. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, then my next question, do we have here quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 4 or a 5. But it can be a 5. We already have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the S shape or S construction? If you mirror this and flip this, you will get the Z, but it's the same shape. When you see the S shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. The S shape. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, we have 1 here, has the same number as that box. So this box should be also a 1. We have only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape in this puzzle, this shape when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Maximal 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left now in this area for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then. Let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 2 goes and there. I think this box, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be 4, yeah. Should be a 5. 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And that box can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 4, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, 1 and 5. But if I connect this box with the other box, have the same digit, 1 and 5, we have a double 5 here, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be definitely a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and 5. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box I've marked with 4 or 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Yeah. 4 and a 5. 1, 3, 5, 2 and 4. Come on. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have a double 5 there. So the only place level 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Mark those 2 boxes in with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this S construction for the number 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Find the jaarwisseling. Yeah. The final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. We solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.